Namaste viewers. Today we are going to demonstrate a very beautiful meditation, caressing meditation. For this caressing meditation, you can arrange a beautiful space at your home and a beautiful time which suits you both, like a love appointment. So once in a week it's advisable if you are doing it at home. So make a beautiful space like a love temple, and I'm telling you the steps of this caressing meditation. Caressing meditation is done between couples, but with the focus that we are nourishing the other and we are helping the other to achieve a space of no mind. Relax so much that no thoughts, only joy, bliss. That space one is able to touch. So the first step is one partner is lying down and the other is sitting, and both the partners, they feel in their heart what is their role in this meditation. So I suggest Shikhar to feel that he will be touched by the hands of God or existence. Shikhar, create a space. Be available. Be open. You are going to be touched by the divine hands. Prepare yourself for receiving this loving touch. Pallavi, close your eyes and be in the space of like you are in service of love. You are offering the love of your heart through your hands to your beloved. You are going to touch this body of your beloved very, very lovingly, and always be in the space of love during this time. You are surrendering to love. From this space, you will be touching your beloved. So whenever you are ready, Pallavi, gently open your eyes, bow down to this divine body in front of you. Feeling the gratitude that you are the chosen one to be in service of love. Very softly, gently, you can start touching, caressing from the face. You can start. Very gentle, soft touch. The feelings are transferred through this touch. You only want to give love and nourishment. While being caressed, sweet prince, enter the caress as everlasting life. This is the sutra from Vigyan Bhairav. While being caressed, sweet prince, enter the caress as everlasting life. With this loving touch, one can achieve the highest relaxation and joy possible. Shiva gave this beautiful technique to Parvati. The Sutra number 10. While being caressed, sweet prince, enter the caress as everlasting life. Slowly, slowly, the Devi, the Shakti, is offering touch to the body of Shiva. You can call it caressing, divine touch, loving meditation. So like this, we continue around 7 or 8 minutes giving touch to the front body. You'll cover the legs, you'll cover the whole body. And when you have covered the whole body, slowly ask your beloved to change side. Then he will lie down. Help him to turn the side. Lie down on the stomach, on the belly. Then, like before, start touching from the hairs. And then slowly, slowly caress the whole body from the back. While being caressed, sweet prince, enter the caress as everlasting life. So again, this side of the body, give the touch for 7-8 minutes. And when you have completed to touch the whole body till the toe, like Pallavi can show, slowly, slowly touching very slowly touching the legs. Pallavi can change position also so that she touches from there. Yes. And for this side, she can come to this side also. Can gently, softly come to this side. When you have touched the whole body, you can simply withdraw your hands. And you can sit without touching the body, giving your beloved the time to integrate. Be silent, be in a loving space. And music can also be used, very soothing music we can use. Because it's a silent meditation, music helps to go deeper. When Shikhar is ready, slowly, gently, he can come out of the meditation and he can bow down to the Shakti, to Pallavi, feeling grateful for this caressing meditation. So it's so relaxing that, yes, when you entered into that space, you don't want to come out. Shikhar, when you are ready, you can come out. Shikhar can bow down to the Shakti, feeling the gratitude for this loving meditation. You can also receive that you are becoming the medium. And then slowly, gently, we exchange roles. Then Shakti will lie down. So now Pallavi is relaxed, lie down, and Shikhar is offering her that divine touch. Close your eyes, both Pallavi and Shikhar. Close your eyes and touch their respective spaces. Pallavi, prepare yourself for this divine touch. Be open, trust, be available for this expansion. Shikhar, you be available for the service of love. Prepare yourself, prepare your heart that you are in service of love. And when you are ready, Shikhar, you'll open your eyes and start offering the caressing to Pallavi. Very gently, softly, with all the love in the heart. Shikhar, when you are ready, start offering this caressing to your Shakti. Very gentle, soft touch. This touch nourishes the whole being. Love is the greatest healing available. Love is the main healing force. And this meditation is for couples who want to go deeper in the intimacy. While being caressed, sweet princess, enter the caress as everlasting life. Very gently, slowly touch the whole body. You can change the place of sitting. You can come to other side. Slowly, slowly touch the whole body. And when this touch is complete, it can take around 8 minutes, or you decide 10 minutes. Whatever is good, then you gently, softly help your partner to change the side. Shikhar, you can ask Pallavi so that she can turn the side. Very relaxed, expanded body posture. You can start touching from the back, while being caressed. Sweet princess, enter the caress as everlasting life. And when you have covered the whole body, slowly you can withdraw your hands and give your partner the time for integration. You can sit by the side. When you are ready, you can offer the gratitude. You can bow down to your Shiva for this beautiful caressing meditation. And you can hug each other, saying thanks. Or you can sit in the Yab-Yum position for some time. Yab-Yum position. Yab-Yum is a beautiful position for couples. So touching all the chakras, you can relax, you can merge, you can close your eyes and you can relax on touching the foreheads. Yes. So this was the caressing meditation. And I must tell you that if you are in a couple situation, then it is mostly done without the clothes. Because on the skin, it goes very deeper. Not on the clothes, the touch is meant for the skin. So both partners can do this meditation by giving each other the love appointments once in a week. It's advisable, and for rising in love, it's a beautiful tool. Thank you.